So we've just come for a quick walk up on the Malvern Hills, and we've got our normal day sacks with us. And what we always tend to have with us, obviously our cups and our jet boil and things, but what we've been carrying on the trail for probably the last 12 months is this Katadyn water purifier. So they call this the BeFree. This is a litre version, but there's also a 0.6 version as well. And it's a very simple collapsible bottle that's got the filter integral to the actual drinking section of it. Works really well. The thing that we like about it is it's always in your pack. Obviously when it's not being used, it collapses really small, really light. But when you do want to collect water, and if you're a little bit unsure whether it's safe drinking water, you can just fill it up and it will purify the water as it goes. So this will actually purify 1,000 litres, so you can fill this 1,000 times before you need to replace that filter. As of yet, we've not had any issues with needing to replace the filter. We tend to be a little bit careful. We don't fill up from really dirty water. Always try and collect clean flowing water, so you're not like blocking up that filter before it even starts working. But what I would say is it's a very easy filter to clean. You can get back home and just swill it under some clean water and you're ready to go, really. The only thing that I would say about this particular filter system is that it does manually take you squeezing it through. So it does take a little bit of effort. And when you first get it and it's dry, you'll be squeezing it thinking this is really, really difficult to actually get it to go through. But persevere, because as soon as that filter gets wet, it will be a lot easier to squeeze it through. And you can see it pretty much runs straight through without too much effort. The other beauty about this kind of water filter is if you are collecting water and this is your only sort of collection device that you've got, you can actually drink directly from it. So you can just use it like a squeezable bottle. And plus, you can be carrying your dirty, unfiltered water and just use it as you go. It's not like you've got to sit down, filter the whole litre of water before you can actually drink it. You can just take a sip and get your hydration back, and then obviously you can squeeze that into another water vessel if you've got it with you. What we tend to do is use that as our filter and squirt it into an empty drinks bottle or our other metal containers, so that we've got water being filtered and we've got clean filtered water ready to go. So this is perfect, and it collapses really nicely small and goes in my side pocket of my rucksack. So yeah, the Katadyn BeFree litre water filter, it's just perfect. It's always in your bag and ready when you need it.
See your breath now?
Yeah. Hot chocolate made with Malvern Hills spring water.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Excellent.